Haunted Objects of Jamaica, Top 10 Eeriest Artifacts and Legends. 3. Annie's Haunted Mirror at Rose Hall Great House, inside Annie Palmer's former home. Another object has gained a fearsome reputation, an antique mirror in Annie's sitting room. It looks ordinary at first glance, but countless visitors have captured inexplicable images in it. This large wall mirror dates back to Rose Hall's plantation era. Given Annie's voodoo practices according to legend and violent end, believers suspect she or other spirits might be attached to items she used, like her mirror. The mirror is now famed for showing apparitions and faces that aren't physically there. Tourists who take photos often later discover ghostly figures reflected. In one account, a skeptic took a picture and upon developing it, noticed a woman's face in the mirror, which others recognized as Annie's likeness. In fact, multiple faces have been reported. One letter from a visitor described seeing many faces in this mirror, but none can compare to Annie herself in the left-hand corner. Really creepy. Sometimes the mirror inexplicably fails to show part of the room or even the photographer's own reflection in images, adding to the mystery. Guests and staff have felt uneasy near the mirror, and some refuse to look into it for long. A few even claim to have seen a figure standing behind them in the mirror's reflection when no one else was in the room. Others have experienced nightmares after trying to photograph it. The haunted mirror remains in Annie Palmer's sitting room at Rose Hall, accessible on the house tour. Its fame is such that the tour gift shop displays copies of visitor photographs and letters describing the mirror's ghostly tricks.